You bought your house for $220,000. Your insurance agent wants to insure your house for $290,000. Where did that number come from? Replacement cost is how much it will cost to repair or replace your home in the same spot using the same quality of construction materials at today's cost. On the other hand, market value is what somebody is willing to pay you for your home today. Now, market value includes the land your home sits on, any improvements you've made to the property, any outbuildings, and of course your home. There are several variables when it comes to market value. A few of those may be where your home is located, the school district in which your home is located, and recently sold comparable property. So how do you come up with the replacement cost? To determine replacement cost, insurance agents have access to an estimating guide that allows us to figure the replacement cost of your home. It factors in structures, fixtures, and finishes of your home. Land value is not included. The objective is to insure your home properly so at the time of a loss, you're made whole again. My name is Brandon, and this is day 20, 34 days of homeowners insurance.